Hey everyone, unboxing here. This is a tech video. It's about a Synology NAS server. So many of you that maybe have followed my videos on this channel or even my technical disruption channel, I think the Synology set of products are just amazing. I would say that these Synology NAS products have been probably in the top 5 best products I've purchased in the last 5 years. They're that good. They're just stable. So I have the DS1813. It's a 5-bay NAS server, plus the DX 5-bay 1510 extender, and it's just solid. It never goes down unless you do very infrequent maintenance, patches that they produce. So I have it up today, and it's been up for a solid 96 days, which is really nothing. The last time I went down, I installed some updates, and I've never lost any data from the NAS server. So it's just really good, and I run all my backups to the NAS server. And so it's multiple computers, my MacBook Pro and some Windows computers, and you can run like a Dropbox Cloud Station file on the server as well. So it's just very handy. Check out those other videos. I do a lot of movie streaming. My own home videos stream from this to the Apple TV I have. So I'm upgrading to a newer one, but the other one is still performing just fine. DS1813. So this is an 8-bay. And pull this out here. Maybe it's just better to open it up. How about that? Or not. Alright, we're going to attempt to pull this out. We'll be right back. So, the new NAS. For Windows and Mac, hard drives are not included. These are not the cheapest components, but in this case, if you're a photographer, if you work with video a lot, high definition video, if you have a lot of home movies, then this is an absolute great device to have. It's worth the money. Okay, quick installation guide. This one's going to be a little more tricky for me because I'm doing a migration from my old one to this new one with the hope of not losing any data whatsoever. Some network cords, power cord, some locking, some screws. So that's that, and another right back. Alright, so here's the unit. Are we in frame? Yeah. Many of you know I do a lot of video components, a lot of video stuff, and my videos are huge in size. And since I got the GoPro Hero 3, that thing will just crack out huge video files, especially when you use the 2.7K or the 4K videos settings. So really not a whole lot to see. It's just a black box. I'm expecting this to perform just a little faster. More importantly, have some more growth for me. And feels maybe, yeah, it feels about the same. Looks a little bit more refined, perhaps. The trays are not, they don't require screws anymore, which I'm excited about because it was kind of tedious to screw in and then load in the drives. So that's the front. The back, you have more network ports here, 4 of them. You have eSATA 1 and 2. It's really for the extenders. You have USB 3. You have 4 USB 2.0 connections. You can basically plug in other drives there, but they're managed separately. They're not really in a single volume, or you can't put them in a single volume with the rest of the drives. The double fans, and they're replaceable pretty easily, so they say. So this is it, folks. More to follow on this. I'll probably do a migration video later.